I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Everest Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select an action. WooCommerce. Connect. Next, select a module. I will create a customer, so I am choosing to create customer. Map the respective fields. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Everest Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the WooCommerce Customers dashboard. And you can see customer created successfully in the WooCommerce. Thanks for watching.